What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. This one's not going to be like a regular video that I usually make. So this one is going to be about just general fix to pretty much if you have problems with your computer like booting and stuff like that. I know it helped me, and especially if you have like a blue screen, something that could fix your issue is this simple fix. So if you go to your CMD with your command prompt and you run it as administrator like I'm doing right here, and by the way I just blue screened. I know why. I was like flipping through apps really too fast, and anyway my computer blue screened. So I almost always do this, or like if my computer ever fails to boot, do this. If you do fsc/scan now, it'll run a scan, which basically I'm 95% sure it just verifies all your Windows files and makes sure that you're not missing any Windows files, or there's no corrupt ones. I would say about 50% of the time, if I'm having like an issue, like I don't boot properly, or like it takes much longer than normal, and I run this, it usually shows that it found some corrupt files and it fixes them. I've never had it where it has not, that's failed to fix it. So as you can see, it's running. This another thing that could be causing blue screen of death could be just your stuff's not updated. So make sure you're always updating your software. I would say at least once a week you should go into just Windows Update and just check it and let it update. Or like if you have a computer like mine, maybe update your drivers for like your graphics cards or stuff like that would also help a lot. So it usually doesn't take very long. Depending on if you do have corrupt files or not. Sometimes it could take a little bit longer, so it's about 40% done here. But I learned about this a while back because my computer would like 90% of the time would fail to boot, and literally me just typing this in, it just completely fixed the issue. I'm not sure what happened. I'm pretty sure just something corrupted while doing a Windows update. But yeah, but like for example, just anything, like if you have a suspicion that maybe something's off, this doesn't do anything bad to your system at all. It literally just verifies that you have all the proper Windows files and that they're not corrupt. So you can do the scan even if there's nothing wrong with your computer, just to check, because I've known sometimes where I've just done it just because the smallest things, and it caught something, and you don't want that one corrupt file to eventually affect you even more. So we're about 75% done. From the looks of it, I don't think there's anything wrong with my computer. I think it was just like a blue screen because, like I said, I was like alt tabbing to different icons too fast, even though and it might have caused a problem. Another thing is, for blue screen of death, there is a stop code. If you take that stop code and look it up, you'll be able to find the direct root cause of the blue screen of death. I believe mine was like internal memory management failure or something like that, which I forget exactly how that happens, but you can look that up, and there's also guides to try and show you like how to fix those issues. So there was no integrity violations. If there were, there would be like a paragraph saying that, oh yeah, we found them, or we fixed them, or we didn't. Sorry guys about that. I guess my recording just stopped. I'm not sure what happened. It sometimes does that. But basically what I was saying was, if there was any integrity violations or like corrupt files found, which is the most common one, it'll just tell you, oh, you found some corrupt files and we repaired them successfully, or they didn't repair them. I've never had it where it didn't work before. But yeah, that is probably by far the best method to fixing almost any kind of, or just checking in general to see if like you have an issue with just the Windows part, because more common than not, boot up problems is because of the software, not the hardware. And like I said, there's stop code on every single blue screen of death. You'll see a stop code, and if you just take that stop code, or just take a photo with your phone if you're fast enough, and you can look it up and see exactly what the problem could be and some solutions to that just on the general web. So that's some tips on how to make sure to fix the blue screen of death.